into all of this today. So when you are in that much pain, constantly, you have to find some ways to ground yourself, which is a technique that I use because I also, outside of being activism, I've been in therapy, human services for over 20 years as well. So the two kind of go hand in hand to me anyway. So this is one of the ways I relax and ground myself. It's the beach, it's water, spending time with people I love. My husband is here with me, and I'll see my daughter later on in the week. She's in college now, so just wanted to show this video for all my fellow Indo warriors out there. Please take time to relax, ground yourself. I know that it is hard to do when we are suffering as much as we are, but however, please find some techniques to ground yourself, whether it's breathing, whether it's walking. Sometimes physical activity does help for endometriosis. It helps to get moving, get walking. So something that you can do, please do it. It actually really does help to get up and move around and be at peace, even if you can just go by yourself. Stress is a big thing with endometriosis. And I know before I started to get dedicated to myself, my own self-care, constantly some kind of stress of this kind of procedure. And that's not healthy for anybody. I'm sure anybody. So rest, relax, ground yourself as much as you can. There's been days where I couldn't move or walk. There's days I watch something funny on TV, like Kings of Comedy, or I watch like old 80s TV show like Back to Life or some shit like that. So whatever relaxes you and kind of gets you rested. But the beach, the water, one of the ways that I do that, and I didn't get a chance to show y'all the view last time, so I wanted to go back and do that. So rest, relax. I'm practicing what I'm preaching. I think every video I've probably said Black women are heroes need to rest and relax. I said, let me show them that I also participate in those activities. So please do all rest, relax. I'll put the name of the beach in the comment section. So like, subscribe, and share. I can't get that. I'll get it fast Monday.